Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. It's a sharp 2012 Ford F350. It's a crew cab, diesel, four-wheel drive with a nice utility bed or landscaping bed. Many use for this type of bed. It's 9 foot long, 8 foot wide. The sides are about 3.5 foot tall, I would say, almost 4. It's heavy duty, well built. This is how it opens. It's all nice square tubing. Very well made. Heavy duty stuff, thick. Got a nice step to get on it. It's also got the towing package with your light hookup, place for your receiver. It's got large mud flaps. Got a spare wheel and tire. Got your running board, your brush guard. It's a real workhorse, ready for work. It's got the tow mirrors. It is a one owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker. Southern truck, no rust. It's an XL, so it's gonna have to manual windows, manual lock, less things to break down. Easy to clean rubber floor. Got vinyl seats. As you can see, they're in real good shape. They're not all wore out or cut. These are your toggle switch for your utility lights. It's only got 103,000 miles. That is actually low miles for a diesel. I've seen these with 400 or 500 still going. It's got your outside temperature, trip computer, fuel mileage. Even though it's XL, still got a few buttons. Also got the cruise control. They don't all have that. 6-speed automatic transmission with the manual shift and the tow mode. AM, FM, CD. Most of them don't even have CD. There's your ice cold climate control, factory trailer brake controller, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, got a couple 12-volt outlet, auxiliary toggle switch, there's your cup holder, traction control on off, and auxiliary input. Got the books. All the seats are nice. This folds down, and there's an armrest and cup holder in here. Up here you've got your sunglasses holder, reading lights. It's in real good shape for a work truck with 100,000 miles. There's plenty of life left on it. Lots of room back here for the crew. Same setup. We got vinyl seats and rubber floor. Just wipe it down when it gets dirty. This is where you put your DEF fluid, exhaust fluid. There's a toolbox. Frame's pretty clean, no issues. Tires are decent, they're not new, but they've still got miles left on them. gonna have a few scratches and dents, but nothing major. Got some right here, over here. We just had it serviced and checked out. It's all ready to go, nice and clean. Got the 6.7 Power Stroke diesel. Lots of power and reliable. If you're looking for a nice four-wheel drive crew cab diesel truck and don't want to spend $60,000, this should do it. I don't get these very often. To get a nice truck under $30,000, that's pretty good. To see if this truck's still for sale, go to my website, Sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, it's sold. You're too late. We do have competitive financing available with low interest rate, and worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call me anytime. Toll free is 866-933-4680. Thank you for watching.